Tired.
All right. It's tired.
Tired.
Okay.
Tired.
All right. No, it. Okay.
It is
Not.
no. Is it not?
Yeah. Not. Gabby, stop spell the word and backward. Not. You just spelling not. Why you rubbing out that for? You're spelling not backwards. Focus. What does not start with?
An O? T?
Yeah, so how you writing it backwards? Are you that tired? A square. Oh boy, I tell you, this hard. All right, let's see why don't come. I'll tell you why, cause me no know. Well, it's not a corner, Gabby. You're supposed to tell me what kind of shape this man. Wait. You're supposed to tell me what kind of shape, you know. It is not a square. What is it, Gabby? Oh, I calculate the wrong one, Gabby. Oh, you need to put the dollar sign in front of those money up there.
Dollar sign.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a tape episode.
A tape episode.
Oh, that's what it's called?
No.
What is it? Trapezoid?
A trapezoid?
Yeah, that's what it is. It's not a square. It is a
trapezoid.
Yeah. Well, whatever it's called.
It's not a tape episode. What kind of word is it called?